Hello guys, in this video I am going to teach you how to get a free VPN. Maybe you are in need of VPN and you can't afford it, so use this method to get free VPN for yourself. In my previous video, I taught how to sign up on Winscribe VPN. Refer to that video or check my description for a link to create an account now. After account creation and email verification, you are given 10 gig free. With this method that I'm going to teach you, you are going to get an extra 20 gig for free. Follow me. Go to your account on Winscribe and select Claim Voucher. Check in my description for the voucher and copy and paste. Once you enter the voucher, you get 20 gig for free. Yes, for free. If you find this tutorial useful, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave your comments. See you soon.